guys? Welcome back to another video, guys. Spring is here and you know what that means. We're back on the grind. Time to install more car parts. Guys, you're probably wondering what's in this huge box here. It is time. It's time for the car to go under some construction. Today we are installing the HFP kit, front lip, the back lip, and the side skirts today, guys. So, only thing about this kit right now is not painted, and so for the next couple of weeks, it's be looking kind of off. But who cares? You know what I'm saying? We here to install the kit, make sure the fitment is perfect as possible. But I'm about to lay all these parts out, guys, and show you what this kit contains of, guys. But if you're not subscribed to the channel, hit the subscribe button, guys. It's 2022, the very first install video, guys. We're coming back. We got a lot of things we got to get done. It is springtime. Car season is basically here, guys. I just got back from a car show. So let's get started with this and let's go. All right, so this is everything inside the kit. So you got your side skirts, you got your front lip. This one's already took the wrapper off. I did that yesterday. Just do a little quick test fit. Then you have your back lip. Now the only thing that's probably gonna be very challenging is the side skirts right here, but luckily they have these little clips basically right here, basically show you where to put the holes at. So let's get started, you know, let's see how this goes. That's how it's basically how it's gonna look. What I'm gonna have to do is drill a hole. So if I can get the camera, can pick this up. So right here there is a, above it there's a one of those clips. So what I'm going to do is take the clip off, then I'm going to drill a hole. I can put the clip back on. So basically it's going to hold it up by a clip. I can drill here also. I might have to do that. Just be on the safe side. I have two. But yeah, that's basically it right there. I mean, it's gonna look very aggressive once it get painted and everything like that. It's gonna look good. But yeah, so I'm gonna put the other one on and then we'll do some drilling. So one thing I hate is drilling. I really hate that when it comes to cars, because I can break something and mess the whole plan up. But hey, you gotta do what you gotta do. So yeah, let's get this started and let's go. Already you can see a major difference. Make the front a little bit more aggressive. Only thing that's gonna be a little bit different over here, I'm gonna have to really get it flush as possible. So you got a little bit of a gap here, then you got a little bit of a gap here. Not like this side, a little bit. You got a gap here, but this is like flush. So have to really do some tight drilling on this side. So the plan is going to be, I'm gonna have to drill here, then I'll have to drill somewhere under right here. See the vision, just see the vision right now. It's not looking good, but on the side it got a little aggressive look to it. So I'm gonna go ahead, start drilling holes. I guess I'm gonna work on this side first. It'd just be better to do it if I work on this side first instead of that side. That side has a little bit more support. flush. See that? It's a spot right here. We're gonna pre-drill first, and then we'll put the third screw in there, and that bad boy's gonna be good. Same thing for that side, same process. Some people like to put 3M tape. Well, I like to put screws in. It's just my personal preference, because for me it's safer when I go down the road, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, so this side is done. We're gonna do that side, and then we're gonna work on the back, then we do the side skirts. So right now I got masking tape up there holding the back lip up. So I'm gonna have to drill probably under this time, because I really don't have no room right here to do any drilling, because it's so slim right here.
A few moments later,
I had to do some modifications. It doesn't give you a lot of places where you can screw the screws in, so you got to make your own holes and stuff like that. So this is what it looks like so far. There's a gap right here, but you can get 3M tape and fix that. But right here is like almost perfect, you know. So I'm gonna show you the spots where I put the screws in. So right here, I did one right here. So I screwed here and right there. So I'm gonna put the wheel back on and do the other side, and then we're gonna do the side skirts. But yes, guys, we're almost done. And this car will have to get a wash, because look, I'm about to put the camera down for a good minute, and when we pick the camera back up, we'll be working on the side skirts. All right.
Day 4.
Kit is not 100% correct, so I don't want you guys in the comment section say, oh, this is a gap here, it's a gap here. Guys, I'm gonna let the body shop take care of all that, guys. I gotta get this car dropped off for paint. I don't know what color I'm getting, but hey, it's gonna be a nice one. Right now this car is gonna be in construction mode, because I am switching up everything. Not when I say everything, not everything, but I'm switching up everything, the look of it, the body of it. So guys, I'm gonna show you how it looks. Right now I'm digging the new style, you know what I'm saying? I really like it, and I can't wait when everything is one color, and it really will stand out. And also I'm getting new wheels, but that's another video. But I'm about to show you guys. All right, so let's do this. All right, so this is the new look of the body. So the front lip is almost perfect. You can see there's a gap there and a little bit of a gap there, but we can fix that. The side skirts are good, but you know, there's little imperfection in the side skirts. This was the hardest thing to get on out of the whole body kit. The side skirts was the hardest. I don't know why, but you do a lot when you got to put side skirts on, because you got to jack this wheel up, you got to jack that wheel up, and you got to take all the wheels off. It's crazy. Then back here you have the back lip. Now this right here really is getting on my nerves, but there's a huge gap. But like I said before, we're gonna work all that out. Don't worry about it, it's gonna get fixed. But yes, this is how it looks. Give you guys complete 100% walk around of the car. Now once this car is basically one color, it's gonna really stand out, and the VTEC sticker gotta go. But hey, also I took off the trim right here too, because of the side skirts. But I'm gonna get a nice clean, and this is all gonna look good, you know what I'm saying? It would be really nice if it's carbon fiber, but who cares for right now. Can't wait to get it painted. But yes, this is the final, not the final look, but this is the process of the car right now. Comes to the very end of the video, guys. Hope you like this install video of me installing this new kit for the Civic, guys. Hope you guys stay tuned, because a lot of things are about to change. And also, guys, I have a surprise coming too. So we about to be doing a lot of installs. That's all I gotta say. A lot of installs, guys. But hope you subscribe to the channel, guys. Hit the subscribe button, guys. We're almost at 2,000 subscribers, guys. 2,000 subscribers. It's been a long time. But yes, guys, hit the subscribe button. Also hit the notification bell. If you're new to the channel, go back and watch all of my old videos, guys. But you know the saying, legit is out.